After 50, you start noticing it. That constant fatigue that no amount of coffee fixes, the unexplained weight gain around your middle, brain fog that makes you forget why you walked into a room, cold hands and feet even in summer, and your doctor says, it's just aging. But what if I told you one common food you've been eating for decades, soy, could be quietly destroying your thyroid after 50? Today I'm revealing why soy becomes especially dangerous in your 50s, 60s, and beyond, and the number one nutrient that can help protect and even heal your thyroid naturally. Stay with me until the end because I'm sharing a simple four-step plan that thousands of my viewers over 50 are using to get their energy back. If you're tired of feeling old before your time, this could be the most important video you watch this year. Problem agitation. Build pain. Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like your body is betraying you? You've worked hard your whole life, raised a family, and now you just want to enjoy retirement, travel, play with grandkids, but your energy is gone. According to the American Thyroid Association, thyroid problems affect millions over 50, and women are up to 8 times more likely. Nearly 60% don't even know they have it because symptoms mimic normal aging. Classic signs after 50, crushing fatigue, especially in the afternoon. Weight gain that won't budge no matter what you eat. Hair thinning or falling out. Dry skin, constipation, depression, or mood swings. Brain fog and memory issues. Feeling cold all the time. Sound familiar? Here's what most doctors miss. 90% of hypothyroidism cases after 50 are autoimmune. Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Your own immune system attacks the thyroid, causing inflammation and poor hormone production. And one food making it worse? Soy. Soy contains goitrogens, compounds that interfere with iodine uptake and thyroid hormone production. After 50, as hormone levels naturally shift, especially in women post-menopause, your thyroid becomes more vulnerable. High soy intake, tofu, soy milk, processed foods with soy protein isolate can worsen this. It can also interfere with thyroid medication absorption if you're already on Synthroid or similar. Studies show a modest rise in TSH with high soy, and in some with subclinical hypothyroidism, it can tip people over the edge. I'm not saying never touch soy again, moderation matters. But after 50, it's time to drastically cut back, especially processed soy. But soy isn't the only culprit. Let me show you what's really happening inside your body and the one nutrient that could change everything. Why your thyroid suffers after 50. Your thyroid is a small butterfly-shaped gland in your neck, but it controls your entire metabolism. Energy, weight, mood, heart rate, even cholesterol. It produces T4 and T3 hormones. After 50, conversion from T4 to T3 slows down. Stress, toxins, nutrient gaps, and inflammation make it worse. Hashimoto's antibodies attack the gland. Inflammation rises. You feel exhausted. The good news? You can support your thyroid naturally, even if you're on medication. Work with your doctor, get full testing. Core value. The number one nutrient, selenium. If there's one nutrient I want every person over 50 watching this to know about, it's selenium. Your thyroid has the highest concentration of selenium in the body. It's critical for converting T4 to active T3, reducing thyroid antibodies, TPOAB, significantly, lowering inflammation via glutathione, master antioxidant, protecting against oxidative stress and even mercury damage. Multiple meta-analyses and RCTs show selenium supplementation, often 200 micrograms per day, reduces TPO antibodies, lowers TSH in many with Hashimoto's, especially without replacement therapy, and improves symptoms. Real results people over 50 report. Less fatigue, better mood, reduced puffiness, myxedema, and sometimes lower medication needs, under doctor supervision. Food sources. 2 to 3 Brazil nuts daily. Don't overdo. Selenium toxicity possible. Eggs, fish, tuna, sardines. Selenium helps bind mercury. Organ meats, grass-fed beef. Sunflower seeds, mushrooms. Supplement tip. 200 micrograms selenomethionine with a multimineral. Combine with food. Always test levels if possible. Foods to avoid/limit after 50. Goitrogens. Beyond soy. Cruciferous veggies. Broccoli, kale, cabbage, cauliflower. Goitrogenic raw. Cook/steam them well. Effects drop dramatically. Small amounts okay. Millet, cassava, flaxseed, large amounts. Gluten. Molecular mimicry can worsen Hashimoto's in sensitive people. Consider 30 to 60-day trial elimination. Processed foods, excess sugar, seed oils, drive inflammation. What to eat more of? Thyroid supporting plate for over 50. Protein. Eggs, wild fish, grass-fed meat, bone broth. Healthy fats. Avocado, olive oil, coconut oil, nuts. Veggies. Cooked non-goitrogenic plus limited cruciferous. Selenium plus iodine sources. Seafood, seaweed, moderate. Eggs, dairy, if tolerated, A2 preferred. Antioxidant rich, berries, colorful veggies. Stay hydrated, eat consistently, no long fasting if it stresses you.